In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE chemistry problems under acids. Okay, so let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following acid is dibasic? We have triazosulfate 4 acid. We have diazonitrate 3 acids. We have hydrochloric acid and ethanoic acid. Alright, so guys, the right option in this question will be alright, so option A is the right answer to this question. The reason is that acid, the basicity of the acid here is 2. Okay, basicity in chemistry is simply the number of replaceable hydrogen ions in one molecule of an acid. So the replaceable hydrogen ion in this triazosulfate 6 acid is 2. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says it can be concluded that gastric juice is acidic. So option B. Next question will be this one. It says a weak acid is one which does not conduct an electric current nor is slightly ionized in water. Yes, option B. The next question will be this one. So weak acid don't ionize completely in water. The following oxide reacts with water except, so the right option will be option D, copper oxide. Okay, so copper oxide does not react with water. Okay, the next question will be this one. It says calcium atom ionizes by gaining 2 electrons. No. Sharing 2 electrons, gaining 2 electrons, losing 2 electrons. Right option is option D, losing 2 electrons. So calcium is metal. So metals are elements that lose electrons when you take part in chemical reaction, whereas non-metals gain electrons, metal lose electrons. So next question will be this one. It says isochlorate 1 acid is used as a bleaching agent because it is an oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agents have the potential for bleaching. Next question will be this one. It says the salt solution formed from film a reaction between ethanoic acid and sodium hydroxide solution would be, so the right option will be option B, basic. So this reaction will give you sodium acetate. So sodium acetate salt is basic in nature. Next question will be this one. It says which of the following salts when dissolved in water will form a solution that will change blue litmus to red. So it has to be acidic in nature. The right option would be option D, ammonium chloride. This is acidic in nature. Option D. Next question will be this one. It says which of the following will dissolve in water? Which of the following will dissolve in warm dilute sulfuric acid or diazosulfate acid at a fair sense to give a blue solution? So the right option is question B, option B, copper alloy. Alright, take note of this question. Next question will be this one. So guys, before we attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate it. It says which of the following statements is not a chemical property of an acid? Formation of salt and water with alkalis. Yes. Evolution of ammonia gas when heated with ammonium salts. Okay. Evolution of carbon 4 oxide gas when added to triazocarbon 4 salt. Yes. Formation of salt and hydrogen gas with reactive metals. Yes. So the right option that is not a chemical property is option B, evolution of ammonia gas when heated with ammonium salts. Okay, so this is not a chemical property of acid. Okay, next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following substances will not produce effervescent with dilute hydrochloric acid? So the right option here would be, this repeated question guys, will be option A, sodium chloride. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says a colorless gas with a pungent smell is involved when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a sample of a source. The gas involved could turn acidic. Potassium chromate 6 solution colorless. No, it's not option B. It will be option C. It will turn acidified potassium manganate 7 solution colorless. Okay, so that's the right option, option C. Okay, next question with this one. Ammonia gas is suitable for performing the fountain experiment because the gas is very soluble in water. So you guys take note of this particular question, very important. Next question will be this one. Is a the following species is always present in acidified water? So right option is option A, ammonium. Hydrozonium ion rather is option A, hydrozonium ion. The next question will be this one. It says 0.10 mole per dm³ sodium hydroxide conducts better than 0.1 mole per dm³ ethanoic acid because the solution of sodium chloride will contain more ions. Alright, that is the right answer. It's a repeated question. Next question will be this one. Which of the following oxide causes acid rain? So it's not, this is hydrogen peroxide, is not it. This is carbon monoxide, no. This is nitrogen 2 oxide, this is nitrogen 4 oxide. So the right option in this question will be option C, nitrogen 4 oxide. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says bees inject an acidic substance when they stink. Which of the following chemical could be used to treat bee stings? So it's not ethanol, it's not ethanoic acid, it's not hydrogen peroxide. The right option is option C, sodium hydrogen triacylcarbonate 4. So guys, this basically guarantees problems involving acid for your WASSCE or your chemistry practice with 18 repeated questions in this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, comment on this video. Let me know if you for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel ESN exams like WASSCE and other ESN exams you'll be writing. Alright guys, having done that, click on the link down above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.